Welcome back to Autoscope. 2026 Jaguar Motorhome. External style, dynamic and fashionable. Flowing profile, the Jaguar Motorhome will feature a more aerodynamic and flowing profile, modeled after the design lines of the Jaguar Coupe. Strong Jaguar identity, the front grille will feature Jaguar's forceful yet elegant design. Advanced LED lights, all of the front, side, and rear lights will feature adaptive matrix LED technology. Premium materials, strong, lightweight materials. Light carbon fiber are used to make some body panels. Automatic access, the motorhome's entrance door will be operated by an automated sliding mechanism. Interior, the highest level of luxury, comfort, and technology. High-end interior components include carbon fiber, patterned metal, accents of real ebony or burr walnut wood, and seats and panels made of fine Windsor or semi-aniline leather. Adaptive ambient lighting is an adjustable multicolor LED ambient lighting system. Ergonomic in design, the front passenger and driver seats provide heating, cooling, and massaging capabilities. Comfortable sofa and armchairs that may be converted into additional beds. Tables with height adjustment or automated folding. One component of a sophisticated entertainment system is a large retractable OLED TV. A large refrigerator with freezer, an integrated microwave and convection oven, an induction cooktop, and a built-in espresso coffee maker are some of the kitchen's features. King-size or queen-size beds with luxurious mattresses and covers. Hybrid electric powertrain options, plug-in hybrid, by fusing a large electric motor with Jaguar's powerful Ingenium petrol engine. This vehicle offers remarkable fuel efficiency and limited range pure electric driving. Full electric, when battery and charging facilities permit. The all-electric variant offers a peaceful driving experience. The adaptable air suspension system adjusts height and firmness for maximum comfort on a variety of terrains. An advanced brake system is one that uses high-performance braking technology to provide maximum safety.